It's me again, Jen here. Are you looking for an awesome but affordable phone? This could be what are you looking for. For the price, this phone has many features. I bought this phone at Walmart that was on sale. The original price was $299, but I got this only for $117, and it is an unlocked phone. Now I am going to unbox the phone. Are you ready? Let's see what's inside. I always use a big knife, right? Kitchen knife, budget. There you go. Good. Ooh, this is the phone. Whoa. 13 megapixel camera. For a price, wow. Rare camera that is 13 megapixels. That's awesome. And this is the handbook. This one. And this is for the SIM card insert. This is the charger, the cord. See? That's it. Then let's try it. Turn it on like this. I'll take this out. Take this out. Okay, I will open this for the SIM card. Dual SIM, so you can put two SIM card, dual SIM card. But I'm not gonna put anything right now. It's okay. Then let's try to set it up. Here, I am turning it on here. Taking this out. Okay, let's turn it on. Waiting. This is unlocked, so you can use GSM. Here is it's on. I'm waiting. Takes forever. There you go, it's on. On. See that? This is the camera. It is Chinese. See? Wi-Fi. Put my Wi-Fi. It's Chinese. Chinese. I have an issue. It's Chinese. So what I am gonna do, I go to settings, go look for three dots, additional settings. That's for the language. Then language and input, the second one, and the first button. So that's how you change it. That's it. Alright. United States. And it's it. You see? And let's turn on the camera, the important one. It's on the camera. Allow. Okay. Let's try the photo, how it works. Looks good. Photo looks great. See? It's nice. Actually, it is 2 gigabytes RAM and 32 gigabytes ROM. So, try to set up the Wi-Fi here. Gotta go to the settings, and go to Wi-Fi. You see, just click like I see. Let's see, I'm doing. Let's find our Wi-Fi. Okay. Connect. Disconnect. So it's connected. That's it. You can still put memory card on this if you need it. That's it. It's a good price. It's nice. I like it. Let's see. Let's try the video. Here's the camera. Let's try the video. Hey you. It's good. Like it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you at the next video. I love you all. Bye.